Hello students, we are going to discuss a poem named A Photograph. A Photograph is a beautiful poem by Shirley Towson. In the poem, the poetess describes her memories about her mother, who has been dead before 12 years. The whole poem is based on the memories of poetess. She is remembering her mother who has been dead before 12 years. I am reading the text from the very first line. The cardboard shows me how it was when the two girl cousins went paddling. The cardboard means the photograph. The poetess says that the poem begins with her memory when she sees an old photograph hanging on the wall. Once the poetess' mother looks at a photograph that was hanging on the wall, and the poetess wrote this poem after seeing the same photograph. पोइटेस उसी फोटोग्राफ को देखकर ये पोएम लिखती है and in the whole poem the memories of her mother are there. So she says, the cardboard shows me how it was. Cardboard means the photograph shows me. Me means the poetess, that with the memory that she sees an old photograph, and in the photograph the poetess mother is standing with her two girl cousins. poetess की जो mother है वो अपनी दो girl cousins के साथ खड़ी हुई है photograph में, and they are holding, each one holding one of my mother's hands. Both of them are holding my mother's, that means poetess mother hands they are holding, and her mother is the big girl. She means the poetess mother, the big girl, some 12 years old. So the poetess mother is 12 years old. She was 12 years old when the photograph was taken, and she was the elder than both the girls. दोनों लड़कियों से जो दोनों दूसरी लड़कियां हैं, उसकी जो गर्ल कजन्स हैं, उनसे जो पोइटेस की मदर है, she was elder, उनसे वो बड़ी थी, and she was about 12 years old when the photograph was taken. जब फोटोग्राफ लिया गया था तो पोइटेस की मदर जो है वो 12 साल की थी. Next she says, all three stood still to smile through their hair, and the uncle with the camera, a sweet face, my mother's, that was before I was born, and the sea, and he says, all the three girls are standing still on the seashore. तीनों लड़कियां जो हैं शांत खड़ी हैं सी शोर पर, समुद्र के किनारे पर, and their hair has come on their face. उनके बाल जो हैं due to wind उनके face पर आ गए हैं, and she says they are smiling through their hair. That means they are smiling in the photograph, and their hair has come on their face due to wind, due to which it seems that they are smiling through their hair. At the uncle with the camera, they are smiling at the uncle who is holding the camera. जिसके हाथ में कैमरा है उन अंकल की तरफ जो है वो स्माइल कर रही है, and the girls are smiling. Next she says, a sweet face my mother's. My mother has a sweet face. The poetess says that her mother has a sweet face. The photograph was taken, she says, the photograph was taken when I was not born. When the poetess was not born, before her birth, the photograph was taken, and my mother was only 12 years old at that time. She says that her mother was 12 years old at that time, and the sea which appears to have changed less washed their terribly transient feet. These two lines are quite important, थोड़ी important है ये lines, ध्यान से देखेंगे. The sea which appears to have changed less, she says that they are standing in the water of the sea and it seems that the sea is washing their feet. ऐसा लग रहा है वो समुद्र के किनारे पर खड़ी हुई हैं पानी में, एंड ऐसा लग रहा है जैसे कि समुद्र उनके पैरों को धो रहा है. Sea has not changed over so many years. So many years have passed. The photograph was taken when her mother was merely 12 years old. Now her mother has died. अब उसकी माँ मर भी गई है. The sea has not yet changed. समुद्र अभी भी चेंज नहीं हुआ है. While their feet are transient, she says. Their feet, her mother and two girl cousins' feet are transient, means their feet or their body will be destroyed, will be dead with the passage of time. They will die with the passage of time. They will become old. They will die with the passage of time. And so the poetess used the word terribly transient feet. That means they will be destroyed with the passage of time. But the sea will remain unchanged. It will remain the same after so many years as well. Next he says, some 20-30 years later, she would laugh at the snapshot. Then the poetess remembers the day when her mother was looking at the photograph. Poetess उस दिन को याद करती है जब उसकी माँ जीवित थी, and she remembers the photograph. She remembers about the time when the photograph was taken. उसकी मदर जब उस टाइम को याद करती है जब फोटोग्राफ लिया गया था, उसके बारे में जो है नेक्स्ट डिस्क्राइब किया है. Then one day after 20 or 30 years, लगभग 20-30 साल के बाद, किसके 20-30 साल के बाद, when the photograph was taken, she would laugh at the photograph. My mother laughed by looking at the photograph. Her mother laughed by looking at the photograph and said to the poetess. और poetess से क्या कहती है, उसको क्या दिखाती है? Look at Betty and Dolly. Betty and Dolly are the names of two girl cousins. उसकी जो दो girl cousins हैं उनके नाम हैं Betty और Dolly. And she says that look at Betty and Dolly. Look what kind of clothes they had worn for going to sea. Sea holiday के लिए उन्होंने किस तरह की ड्रेस पहनी हुई है, उसके बारे में डिस्कस करती है पोएटेस की मदर. And then she says that particular day, this is quite important, the sea holiday was her past, mine is her laughter. So many questions have been asked from this particular line. इस लाइन से बहुत सारे questions पूछे गए हैं, तो ध्यान से देखेंगे. The sea holiday was her past, mine is her laughter. She says that the particular day of sea holiday was past for her mother. पोएटेस की मदर के लिए जो है, जो सी हॉलीडे था वो पास्ट था, कि शी वॉज रिमेम्बरिंग द डे व्हेन शी वेंट ऑन ए सी हॉलीडे विद हर गर्ल कजन्स. And my mother's laughter is past for me. The poetess says that her mother's laughter is past for her. That means her mother is no more in this world. उसकी माँ जो है अब इस दुनिया में नहीं है. So her mother's laughter is past for her. She is talking about two things in this line. दो चीजों के बारे में पोएटेस जो है वो डिस्कस कर रही है. She says that the sea holiday was past for her mother. For my mother, the poetess says that sea holiday was past for my mother, and my past is my mother's laughter. I am not able to see my mother laughing now because she is no more in this world. अब मैं नहीं देख सकती हूँ. The poetess is saying that अब मैं नहीं देख सकती हूँ मेरी माँ को हंसते हुए, मुस्कुराते हुए, because she is no more in this world. अब वो इस दुनिया में नहीं है. Both ray with the labored ease of loss. She says that both of us, यानी me and my mother, I and my mother, both of us are trying to forget about the loss. दोनों कोशिश कर रहे हैं उस लॉस को फॉरगेट करने की. When my mother saw the photograph, she was trying to forget about those days. वो कोशिश कर रही थी कि उन दिनों को भूल जाए. When she used to go with her girl cousins on a sea holiday, and I want to forget about my mother's laughter. I'm trying to forget about that. मैं कोशिश कर रही हूँ. The poetess says that I am trying to forget about my mother's laughter. मैं कोशिश कर रही हूँ कि मैं उस लॉस को भूल जाऊं. But unfortunately, it is impossible to forget about the loss. लेकिन उस लॉस को भूल जाना बहुत मुश्किल है. For both of us. दोनों के लिए मुश्किल है. For me and for my mother as well. दोनों चीजें जो है बहुत मुश्किल है भूल जाना. उस लॉस को भूल जाना बहुत मुश्किल है दोनों के लिए. For me and for my mother as well. Now she has been dead nearly as many years as that girl lived. And of this circumstance there is nothing to say at all. Its silences. She says that now her mother has been dead for 12 years. You need to keep this important thing always in mind, that her mother, the mother of poetess, has been dead for 12 years, and when the photograph was taken, she was 12 years. जब फोटो लिया गया था तो पोएटेस की मदर जो है वो 12 साल की थी. एंड व्हेन द पोएटेस इज राइटिंग द पोएम, व्हेन शी इज टॉकिंग अबाउट दैट, हर मदर हैज बीन डेड बिफोर 12 years. उसकी माँ को मरे हुए उस समय 12 वर्ष हो गए थे. एंड when the photograph was taken, my mother was 12 years old. You need to always keep this thing in mind. And of this circumstance there is nothing to say at all. She says that there is nothing to say at this moment, because the poetess is unable to forget her mother. उसे भूल नहीं पा रही है अपनी माँ को. And she says that my mother is no more in this world. मेरी माँ अब इस दुनिया में नहीं है. So I cannot say anything, because I have nothing to say at this particular moment when my mother is not with me. मेरे पास कुछ है ही नहीं कहने के लिए. And she says it's silences. That means silence of the situation. Silence of the situation silences everyone. That means when you have lost some dear ones of yours. जब आप अपने किसी बहुत ज्यादा करीबी को खो देते हैं तो you cannot express the pain. You are unable to express the particular situation in words. The same thing happens with the poetess, and she says that the silence of the situation silences everyone. So this is all about the poem, and the poetess is again and again trying to remember her mother, and she is unable to forget her mother. And the memories of her mother again and again comes in her brain. And once she saw an old photograph of her mother, and after seeing the photograph, the whole poem was written. That's all for today. Thank you. Have a good day.